What now? Okay.
Is your PBSA still getting worked on?
Yeah, it should be done by this week.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
You know my Colt 1911, I took it in. They said it won't be done until like Wednesday.
Woo! Come on.
Right side, behind those blue barrels.
Okay.
Left side, here, there's one on the left side.
Go to the left side. Cover me, cover me. What does it look like? Whoa! It. Right there. Like, go with a pump something. Semi. I found the red flag. The red flag's right there. We want the yellow though. Okay, the red flag, which isn't ours, it's theirs. They have to capture the red flag. It's right there, yeah.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah, probably. You guys don't keep putting your faces in front of it.
Zion or whatever?
What?
Is your name Zion?
No, it's right here. Go. Where are they at? Can I move up? Okay. Pretty far up there? Where are they at?
You got a cloud right there in the center. You look at his position, you can see him right there.
Okay.
Hey, we're all going to be right there. Ready?
Okay, yeah, go.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna take him out. I'm gonna take him out. I've got a pin down. Hey. Get down, get down. The guy is still right there. I got him pinned down, but I moved now, so because he was just hitting or hiding there. Here, I'm gonna go across over there, right to that little thing right there. Where are they at? Hey, you wanna help me? What? I'm gonna move across right over there to the little island thing. But there's too many guys over there. I need you to start firing. Just start firing right over there. What?
No problem.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go. Going across. X-Man. Over here. Don't hit him. There's a couple guys right there.
Let me go first.
What?
Never mind.
Man, there's red.
I'm gonna get over there.